I am presenting you a garlic chicken. So quick, so easy, very tender, very juicy chicken. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's make the quick and easy garlic chicken together. We need 600 grams of chicken. I'm using boneless chicken cut into big chunks. Squeeze lemon juice, half of it. Ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. And combine well. Rest for 15 minutes. Heat a skillet on a medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the chicken to the hot oil. Let it fry. 5 minutes on one side. Flip it over and cook 4 minutes on the other side of the chicken. When the chicken is 80% cooked, remove to a plate and set it aside. Place a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add chopped garlic and saute until golden color. To the garlic, add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a quarter cup of tomato ketchup, chili powder 1 tablespoon, 3/4 cup of water and combine well. Add salt to taste, black pepper 1 tablespoon, give a quick mix. The sauce will be getting thicker. Add the cooked chicken to the sauce. Combine well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 25 grams of butter. Turn off the heat. Give a quick mix. You will get a juicy chicken like this. Add some chopped spring onions and combine and enjoy the garlic chicken. The garlic chicken we just made, it's ready now. Let's taste it. Nice juicy chicken and the flavors are so beautiful. Buttery, garlicky, spiciness and a little bit of sourness make the dish delicious. If you like this video, please share it, comment it and subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.